Hey, how you doing, Weebs? Mine's SidWeeb, and today to watch episode number 1 of Chainsaw Man. So, I've heard a lot about this anime. Yes, I know I'm not recording any reactions lately because I was sick, so I didn't do anything. I just rested, took my time, and now I'm back with reacting on some anime. Let's just see. I know this anime crashed the whole server of Crunchyroll, so I know it's good, but I don't know anything about this. So let's just go into the episode without wasting any time. Okay, POV shot, that's good. I know Mappa animated this, so I know it's gonna be good, and I'm really excited for OP and ending, but that's gonna be in a separate reaction video. So loud. Thank you. I don't even know his name or what kind of I don't know. I don't know anything. Yay, better head to work. Yeah, it feels awful. He lives in middle of the woods. 60,000 per month. He sold his kidney? He sold his eye? Oh shit, no, not that. Alright. Oh, he's in debt. Pochta? Yeah, I heard his name in anime, I guess. In Instagram, I guess. Huh? Okay. Devil hunting. Okay, wait a minute. Is this a kind of world where devil hunting is normal, like Jujutsu Kaisen? You know. OP is gonna be in another video, in a separate video. Link is gonna be in the bio if I reacted on it already. He did it. Tomato devil. Oh, his name is Denji. And where's the mama who everyone love? I don't know. If they love her or just wanna be a pup to her. Instagram spoils a lot of things. I don't know any of the story part of this anime other than he wants to touch some. Oh, that's bad. Slice of bread. That's not healthy. That's not enough nutrients for a big guy. Oh. Oh, it's not his debt. It's his father's debt. I mean debt. $100 only. Okay. I can see he can do anything for money. Oh, he didn't actually eat it. That's a cute devil. I don't know. I don't like putting jam on it. I don't like jam. I don't like sweet stuff that much. Yeah. Yeah, same. Same, bro. No, not same, bro. Focus on yourself, king. His dad's grave. Oh my god, that's horrifying for a kid. Okay. Ah, so that's how they met. Oh, oh no. Ah, okay. Some info that I should remember. Okay, he told him after he bite him, but he was injured, so he couldn't do anything after all, other than this. Other than this. So that's how he became a devil hunter. Nice. Too hungry to sleep. I don't know about that. When I go on diets or something sometimes when I go on diet, sometimes I just let me pause it. When I go on diet, sometimes I just don't eat, and when I get hungry, I sleep. I can sleep.
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんいいだろ。
That's everyone's dream. That's every guy's dream. Okay. Is he sick? I think he's sick. Oh. Time to work. Life's hard, man. Wow. Mappa sure do know how to animate. Without RTX? That ray tracing, I mean. Oh. Okay, man. Mappa, you sure do like CGI? I really don't like the car when it's CGI. I know. I don't know. It's just a little bizarre. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully nothing bad happens.
犬みてに従順だし、犬みてに安い。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Okay. Oh, Pochita got hurt too.
俺たちはもっと強くなって稼ぎてめえみてに悪魔と契約。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。僕が望むのはデビルハンター。
Oh my god.
めっちゃバカ。たださ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから、だから殺しちゃうんだ。
Alright, alright, alright.
そいつバラバラにしてごめん。
Shit. So he picks up. Run, Genji. I can't even imagine being stabbed in the back and running. Nice. They're just zombies. Okay, they can climb. They're not falling over. Oh shit, no. Ooh. No. Okay. That's a nightmare. I don't like being stabbed again and again. So he died. He died? He died. His head is severed? Oh, his blood. Here's him. Okay.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれ、殺されるかもしれない。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
I think. Oh!
できるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
So is he even alive or not in the, I mean in the future?
そんで、この町を出て、暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
I like him. Pochita is really cute. Another flashback? What happened? He's really cute. Okay. That's new. I think I've heard his name. Not his name, his voice, I mean. He's alive, guys! The man is alive. Okay, let's see. I think I know what's gonna happen because I saw it in the trailer and it's gonna be gory. What did he say? Ah, he's contemplating his dreams. Yeah, of course, we all do. Okay. Let's see the transformation. If I'm correct, it's gonna be gory. Is it gonna be like Matrix? Yeah! Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Yes! Okay. Oh my god, it is so gory. Okay. Environment is a little bit. I don't know. Nothing. Nothing, bro. Oh. This is actually great. This is so gory. Ah, so much violence. I like it. What happened? Okay, follow-up shots. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, ah, that chainsaw SFX. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh. So what now? All of you, what are you gonna do? We killed your host.
心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。デビルハンター。
He's got a little bit mad, but it's okay. He's living his life to the fullest now. Is he gonna be back to his normal self or not? Or is he gonna be like that for the whole anime? Who's here? Okay, she came. I think it is her.
先を越されたね。
There she is.
生きてるのがいますね。
I think her name is Makima, if I'm correct.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
抱かす。
Oh, she actually hugged him. I thought she won't. Oh,
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は。
乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。君の選択肢は2つ。
okay.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うなら、ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Shut. Yeah, yeah. Just keep me fed.
あと、
He would love those. That sounds awesome. Think it's gonna be good. I still don't know if I'm gonna like this in the future or not, because you know sometimes people just just hype it a lot and I don't find it that much interesting. Like I don't like My Hero Academia after season 4. I have watched it till the half season of 4. After that I noticed that it was getting but I hope this is not gonna become like that, because I know the manga is really good. So let's hope anime is gonna be good too, not like Tokyo Ghoul. So that's it for today. So I hope you liked my reaction on the episode number 1 of Chainsaw Man, and if you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye bye.